How to create animated videos with AI in your PC. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your browser in your computer. After that, in the search bar, you have to click and search for Lexica.art. After that, you have to enter it. After entering to it, you'll be directly open to this interface where you can search for the image or you can generate it. So here you can see there are various animated videos and also the photos, so you can easily get the videos and photos from over there. But if you want to generate, then you can simply click on generate option. From here you can describe the type of image that you want, but for that you have to sign up with your account. So here you can either click on the continue with Google, and from there you'll be easily able to create an account, or you can enter your another email address. So here I signed in with my Google account. After that you have to click on it and explain your image. After that you can click on negative prompt option, and here you can enter any text or the type of image that you want. For example, if you want a blurry image, then you can simply type blurry, and after that you have to simply click on generate. So until it's generating, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. After that you can see the pictures has been generated. You can also download it in your file by simply clicking on the download option, which is in the left upper corner, and by following this simple step you can create animated videos or photos. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.